how to get dark mode on any application on your iOS device for absolutely free. What's going on, guys? Regal here. Today I'm going to be showcasing a method that you can utilize to receive a dark theme on any application on your iOS device. So without further ado, let's get right into it. So to start things off, the first thing you guys want to do is head over to the settings application on your iOS device. Now once you guys are launched into the settings of your iOS device, the next step we're going to be taking is simply clicking on the general tab and then clicking on the accessibility tab. Now once you guys are on the accessibility page, the next step we're going to be taking is clicking on the option that says display accommodations and then the option that says invert colors. Now once you guys are on the invert colors option, the next step we're going to be taking is simply switching the toggle for the option that says smart invert. Now as soon as you guys switch that toggle, you'll notice that everything goes into a black theme along with all of the downloaded applications on your iOS device. Now when you turn the smart invert option on, you'll notice that there's kind of like a filter on your iOS device making the screen sort of blue. Now the way to fix this is by going back into settings, then going back into the display features and then clicking on the option that says color filters. Now once you guys have done that, you want to simply click onto it and then simply turn the toggle on for the color filters option. Now the filter option that we're going to be choosing is called color tint, and we're basically going to be customizing it to our liking, utilizing the intensity and hue scroll tabs at the bottom of the screen. Now once you guys have set your screen to your personal preference, you guys can go back to your home screen and launch up any application, and you'll notice that it has a complete dark mode theme activated. Now you can utilize this dark mode on any application on your iOS device, whether that be Instagram, Snapchat, YouTube, Twitter, Spotify, or even Apple Music. It's super simple to do, and it's honestly a really cool feature that Apple has implemented. And well, once you guys want to deactivate the dark mode theme, all you guys gotta do is go back into the settings and then simply turn the invert colors option off. So yeah, pretty much that'll conclude up today's video. If you guys want to go ahead and receive a dark mode theme on any application on your iOS device, be sure to simply follow along with the video and you guys should be good to go. So yeah, pretty much that'll wrap up today's video. If you guys said go ahead and like it, be sure to hit that like button. Also, if you guys haven't subscribed already, be sure to hit that subscribe button. It's been Regal, and I'm out. Peace.